Welcome! Today we're going to look at a very interesting but also a very important concept when it comes to phonetics and pronunciation. You might have observed that many words have specific spellings and that spelling parts repeat over and over again, but they're pronounced differently. Today we're going to look specifically at the OUGH sound. It has 7 different sounds. Can you believe that? We're going to look at each of these sounds and see which words use them, which way, and how they have to be pronounced. Hi, I'm Ajeeth from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn it together English fluency program. Learning English with Capshine is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective, and we promise a brand new you in 6 months or less. So what is the first kind of sound that you should be aware of? What is this word? Can you guess? Well, this word is usually pronounced dow or do, right? Or whatever it is. But the right pronunciation is do. The OUGH takes a ow sound, ow. What other words do you know that could use this sound for OUGH? Well, you have although, notice the pronunciation, although, ow sound, and though, again the ow sound. A sample sentence here, although the farmers work all day, their wages are less. Although, though, and do. All of these use the ow sound for OUGH. Let's look at another one. Well, can you guess what this means or how it's pronounced? Well, it's rough. OUGH, but it has a uff sound, uff. What other words do you know that have the same pronunciation for OUGH? Can you guess? Well, here are a few. Enough. Notice the F sound, uff, enough, and tough. Again, even though there's no F here, it has an F sound, tough. Rough, enough, tough. Let's look at a usage in context. It was a tough ride due to rough roads, and he had had enough of it, right? So 3 different words with the same pronunciation of OUGH, uff. Before we get to the next usages and the next kind of pronunciation, a quick word about Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn it together English fluency program. With Capshine, you get access to learning as a group, you get to hone your fundamental skills, you get a mentor who gives you personalized feedback, and also a fluency tracker to tell you exactly where you are at different parts of your journey. You also get micro lessons and live classes to build your foundations and daily challenges that can help you think in English and become more proficient. Great, let's continue talking about the OUGH sounds. The next word or the next set of words has the following sound. Look at this word, how do you pronounce it? It's though. No, it's not though. It's THOUGHT. That's not pronounced though, it's pronounced thought. So the OUGH is pronounced with a thaw sound. Rather. What other words can you think of where the OUGH has an sound? Well, here are a few. Bought, fought, brought. Notice how each of these bring in an ow sound. There's no H or G sound in this. Ow. Thought, bought, fought, and brought. A context wherein these words are used. I thought you bought the oranges. I thought you bought the oranges. Again, a different pronunciation for the OUGH spelling used in context. Let's look at another one, shall we? The next word is that. Can you try pronouncing that word? How does it pronounced? How is it pronounced? Through. OUGH has a oo sound, through. Can you think of other words that have the same pronunciation? Well, throughout has the same pronunciation. An example of this usage is I could see right through the silk curtains. I could see right through. Through and throughout both have the same pronunciation for OUGH. Let's look at another one, shall we? How do you pronounce this word? Is it cuff? No, it's cough. Cough. The OUGH has a off sound. Another word with the same pronunciation is trough. Trough. Let's look at the context in which it's used. Contact your doctor if the cough persists, or you want to fill your trough full of water before you take a bath, whatever it is. Cough, trough, both has an off sound. How is this word pronounced? Well, it's pronounced drought. How is the OUGH pronounced? It's pronounced ow. Notice the ow there. Here are two other words that share the same pronunciation. Bough. Remember, bough is the branch of a tree. Bough. And plow, to plow the field. Plow. Bough, plow, and drought all have the same pronunciation of OUGH, which is ow. It's hard to plow during the drought, right? Let's look at the last sound of OUGH. Burrow, burrow. Notice the sound. This is the schwa sound. If you remember from the other phonetic videos, the schwa sound is the sound. The OUGH in this case carries an sound. For example, thorough and thoroughly. Both of these have a silent, passive, non-stressed sound. For example, you will be checked thoroughly at the airport. Thoroughly. Again, notice how the OUGH has 7 different sounds, and this is completely based on context and the words that it carries it with. I hope you found this useful. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to not miss videos like these. And of course, don't forget to check out your 30-day free trial with Capshine by going to the app or going to capshine.com. Thanks for watching.